The digital age has seen the introduction of NFT, non-fungible tokens, a new type of unique and non-replaceable digital asset. These tokens have become extremely popular among cryptocurrency investors and enthusiasts in recent years. In this video, we'll explore the importance of NFT marketing and how it can be used to maximize the potential of NFT. What are NFT? NFT are unique and non-substitutable digital assets. These tokens are usually used to represent digital assets such as digital art, games, music, videos, and much more. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, NFT are designed to represent specific, unique objects and cannot be traded against each other. In other words, an NFT represents a unique digital artwork, while a traditional cryptocurrency like Bitcoin can be exchanged for other units of Bitcoin. Marketing NFT. NFT marketing is important because it helps drive NFT adoption. As with any other product or service, promotion is key to increasing awareness and demand for NFT. There are several strategies of NFT marketing can be used to promote your NFT and maximize their potential. Create an NFT marketing campaign. An effective NFT marketing campaign requires careful planning and strategy. To create a successful campaign, it is important to identify your target audience and create a message that is relevant to them. And also it is important to use the right marketing channels, such as social media and email online advertising, to reach your target audience. Collaborate with NFT artists. Collaborating with NFT artists can be a great way to promote your NFT. NFT artists are often highly respected in the crypto community as well. They can bring a huge fan base with them. Also, working with an NFT artist can help you create unique and attractive NFT. Participate in crypto fairs. NFT trade shows are a great way to promote your NFT and meet other cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Attend trade shows like Miami Art Week and New York City Blockchain Week can be an opportunity to showcase your NFT to a wide range of people. Create a clear goal. The first step in creating an effective NFT marketing campaign is to set a clear goal. This means you have to decide what you want to get from your NFT marketing campaign. For example, you might want to raise awareness of your NFT, increase sales, or attract new buyers. Identify your target audience. Once you have established the objective of your NFT marketing campaign, you must identify your target audience. Who are the people who could be interested in your NFT? For example, if you are selling digital art NFT, your target audience could be art collectors or digital art enthusiasts. Create a relevant message. Once you've identified your target audience, you need to craft a message relevant that interests them and convinces them to buy your NFT. Your message should explain why your NFT are unique and valuable and which ones are the benefits of owning them. Identify the right marketing channels. After crafting your message, you need to identify the marketing channels right to reach your target audience. There are several options available, such as social media advertising, email marketing, participation in NFT fairs, and collaboration with NFT artists. Prepare your budget. Once you've identified the right marketing channels, you need to prepare your budget. How much money are you willing to spend on your marketing campaign NFT? It is important to allocate your budget strategically to maximize the results of your campaign. Create your NFT marketing campaign. Once you've identified your target audience, creating your message, identify the right marketing channels, and prepared your budget, it's time to create your NFT marketing campaign. Make sure you use your own relevant message and to use the right marketing channels for reach your target audience. In this phase, the contents to be created and published are mainly images and videos of the collection, professionally made. To make the collection known directly even before the user purchases the NFT, in such a way as to involve him with overwhelming content, as created in this case. Measure the results of your campaign. Finally, it is important to measure the results of your marketing campaign NFT. This will help you understand if your campaign was successful and identify any areas where you can improve. There are several metrics you can use to measure the results of your campaign NFT marketing, such as the number of views, the number of clicks on your ad, the number of NFTs sold, and customer feedback. Conclusions. Bottom line, an effective NFT marketing campaign is crucial to promote your NFT and maximize their value. It is important to create a clear objective, identify your target audience, create a message relevant, identify the right marketing channels, prepare your budget. Create your own NFT marketing campaign, and measure the results of your countryside. With these steps, you will be able to create a campaign with effective NFT marketing that will help you achieve success. By choosing Hoken Tech as your NFT partner, we will always be ready to help you achieve your NFT marketing goals and create value lasting for your NFT and create marketing materials in addition to the NFT e-promotional for your exclusive collection. Don't hesitate to contact us for more information or to discuss your NFT marketing goals by booking one video call with us.